acrobats, break dancers, little people, light bulb eating, and that crowd pleaser, a transvestite contortionist, all led by their ringmasters.
In 1972, the first commercially successful video game, Pong, hit American arcades.
Our first video game was Pong.
화면이 안 좋다. 왜 그래? 아, 왜 성큼해? 화면이?
After Pong,
조금은 더 어디니?
all hell broke loose. And the transformation of video games from Pong to today's ultra-realistic graphic interfaces is number 44 on our list of Starlicious makeovers. Video games have come a long ways.